Kyrie, what you doing?
A dinosaur?
Oh, okay, dinosaur. At least he doing his homework, y'all. Can't stop him from doing that. Everybody here doing their homework today without me have to say anything. I got blessed working today. What's that you write? What's this word? What's that word?
Go.
Go.
This word means P-E.
What's that spelling? G.
D-O.
Go.
Okay.
What's that word? Don't erase. Y'all do all this erasing. Maya and Kamara, what you doing? Well, I guess I won't disturb them, huh? Let's get up. Do your homework at the table.
I already did.
You already did? You through?
Yeah, I will. You always took a picture of me.
I took a picture of your homework.
To them kids.
Oh, I did what?
After you get told me, you went to them too.
I went to the old kids.
Yeah. I
Okay.
wait these.
Those your sight words.
Yeah.
So what you doing, Cadence?
Mario. I'm done now. I'm done now.
See, you writing math problem. You need to be writing reading. You need to get some reading, learn how to read better, okay? Get you a book. Start with an easy book. Get you an easy book. We'll do the hard book later. That's an easy enough book. What it say?
And the sea.
You right. God is good with him.
And then a diver swim under the sea.
Good job.
Fish swim in the water too.
Okay, you doing good. Yeah, my house be tore up while they doing homework, but I just have to clean up every day. I don't care. Just as long as they doing homework. What is he doing? I walked away 1 minute. What y'all doing?
Oh, look how easy it is.
That's easy.
5, 6, wait, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
We almost done this one last packet.
With me?